Hey friends, welcome back. It's me, Michelle, a Canadian registered nurse. I know it's been a while, but I'm back, and I also changed my YouTube name to Speak English with Michelle because I feel like it's just more representative of what I'm trying to do here on my channel. But anyways, today I'm going to teach you guys how to read a prescription medication label. Now, you guys can download this PowerPoint for free on my website, which is going to be linked down below in the comments. So feel free to check that out. Anyways, let's get started. All right, so on prescription medications, you'll see a prescription label like this one here. And it's going to tell you a ton of information, but don't worry, we're going to go through all of them one by one. So first, it tells you which pharmacy this medication is from. So here is the address of the pharmacy and its phone number. So you can call this phone number to refill prescriptions if you have any refills left. This over here is the prescription number, which corresponds to your medication. So when you call the pharmacy to refill your prescription, they'll ask for this prescription number so that they know which medication to refill. This here, Jane Smith, is the name of the person who this medication is for. Over here, these are instructions about how to take this medication, how often, and when to take it. So for example, for this medication, your prescriber wants you to take 1 capsule by mouth 3 times daily for 10 days until you've taken all of the medication. So now let's look at some examples of instructions on how to take the medication. So first example is take 4 times a day. Take 4 times a day. Take 4 times a day. Your doctor wants you to take this medication 4 times during the day. For example, at breakfast, lunch, dinner, and before bed. Take every 4 hours. Take every 4 hours. Take every 4 hours. So this means take this medication every 4 hours. So you would take this medication 6 times in a 24-hour period. For example, you would take your medication at 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m., 6 p.m., 10 p.m., and 2 a.m. Take as needed. Take as needed. Take as needed. So this means take this medication only when you need it. For example, in the hospital, acetaminophen or Tylenol is often ordered as a PRN, which means take as needed medication. This means that if a patient has a headache, for example, they can take acetaminophen as needed for pain control. Take with food. Take with food. Take with food. So this means that you should not take this medication on an empty stomach. Instead, you should take this medication with food, for example, with breakfast. The reason is because some medications can irritate your stomach, and taking them with food can reduce this effect. Now, over here, this is the name of the medication and its strength. The name written can be the medication's generic name or its brand name or both. So for example, this medication is amoxicillin, which is the generic name for this antibiotic, and its strength is 500 mg, which means that each capsule contains 500 mg of amoxicillin. This tells you how many refills you have left of this medication. Now here, it says you have no refills left, which means you'll have to call your prescriber to get a new prescription. Now, I've already made a video on how to refill your prescriptions, so you can check it out here. This is the name of the person who gave you the prescription for this medication. So in Canada, this person might be a doctor, a nurse practitioner, a pharmacist, etc. Again, this is a phone number of the pharmacy, and you can call this phone number to refill prescriptions. This is the date that your prescription was filled. And this is the expiration date for this medication. So a lot of the time, the expiration date will be marked with EXP, like over here. And here are the references I used to write this PowerPoint. All right, you guys, that's it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed this quick little tutorial on how to read a prescription medication label. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Thanks again. Bye.